We're playing Cube Runners and Xbox again, so welcome back, guys. Okay, everybody follow me, guys. Come into this vent, come into the vent.
Why?
Follow me, because I'm taking you guys to a certain area.
You click on this vending machine and you get chips.
Okay, everybody follow me.
No, they kick you out of next box. No, they kick you out of next box, not the game. No, they kick you out. Okay, actually, there's no monsters can be over here.
No monsters cannot get in the vents. Where's Red?
Guys, I have both of them. Go. Monsters cannot go to the vents.
Yeah, monsters cannot go into the vents.
Guys,
oh, we're good?
Guys, I'm flat. Where are you? What are you doing there? Oh, hold on! No! I'm running. Get out.
Dude, how close was he to tagging me?
Like an inch away. Or gets kicked as a noob. Guys, I died. Why is there? Oh my gosh. Oh.
Is it a marshmallow?
Yeah, that's fun. Guys, jump on me, fit.
8-1.
I have an extra. Oh my gosh.
I'm finna make a run for it.
8-6.
Guys!
2-1-8.
Guys! Oh my god! Guys!
2-1-8.
Guys, check it.
Guys, I'm
Not
back!
8-6. 2-1-8.
I'm back!
9-8-6. 2-1-8. 1. 9-8-6.
Playing Cubers next box.
I ran into corn dog.
Same, bro.
That was pretty fun.
Now me climb. How do you climb? You hold your grip button. I don't like the one with the long face. To the front. To the front pressure. Yeah, front pressure. You guys like that guy with the shadow. If Raider hated you on this book, I don't have to show me the book. I used to, but I haven't played this game in years.
Okay, guys, I'm prepared to fight the next bots. I am prepared to fight the next bots.
Oh my gosh. Run. He's dead. No. You know what? I'm gonna die.
Guys, I'm prepared to fight the next bots. I'm ready to fight the next bots.
2-1-8.
Dude, what are you doing?
Guys, I'm prepared to fight the next bots. Power of the content creator.
8-6. 1.
Who is that guy? Guys, come on. Who's the content creator? Guys, come on.
I'm taking a selfie.
Yeah, bro's dead. Both keys dead.
Everybody follow me. Everybody follow me. Follow me.
Everybody follow White. Everyone follow the content creator.
Follow me.
Everybody.
Okay, guys, the coast is clear. Okay,
Can
guys.
I get you over here?
No, well, yes, guys, the coast is clear. You ready?
No, I'm bad. I have a bad feeling. Guys, I'll protect the vent.
Abort! 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 Abort mission. Mission abort, mission abort.
Pero que se vaya atrás del palo.
What does that mean, abort?
Abort means run.
Bro, they glitched my game. They,
No, guys,
I'll see you guys in the. I'll see you guys.
What?
Guys,
Okay, guys, follow me. Everybody.
No. Come back in reality, goes gravity, yo.
She asked.
Back to reality, goes.
Ask me how I make this green. Tell her that it's in my jeans. Money, money, green, green. Money is all I need. Ask me how I make this green. Tell her that it's in my jeans. Money, money, green, green. Money's all I need. Need money, money, green, green.
With me.
Guys,
We're just gonna go with me.
guys. Okay, guys, it's power of the content. Guys,
Me and White, let's go.
guys, hang on. It's the power of the content creator. Power of the content creator.
1-8.
How do you get
Power of me and Gecko. Sorry.
No, guys, how do you get through it?
Raise your hand if I should.
How do you get through it?
Dude,
Someone come with me.
guys, I escaped the next bots.
How do you get that? How do you get that? How do you
Can you please come back?
No, bro, I'm in the vents. I'm finding my way through.
Like things floating.
I'm on my way to come back to you guys.
Come back. There's no some.
Oh my god. Okay, what's up, guys?
No, come back. Guys, I'll sacrifice.
What's up, guys? We're playing next bots and cube runners.
Guys, okay, guys, I'm gonna
Today,
sacrifice.
today we are playing Cube
Bye, everyone, I
Runners
turned off my
with
volume.
these.
Today we're playing one.
Next one.
I'm gonna go with you guys. We're all
Tell us
friends.
your name. Tell
Hello,
us your
guys.
name. Bro.
Today we're playing
Money, color, green.
So here we go.
Hey, nigga.
Okay, guys, I'm actually taking it down. I'm taking a different plan.
Next box. Next box is pretty scary for me. That's scary for me because I can just jump.
Guys, I came back. I just made a home run. I just made a home run. Just made a... Guys, I was chased by Nokia. I was chased by Nokia, bro. I was chased by Nokia.
Nokia.
I was chased by
today's
Nokia.
video,
I was
we're
chased
all these
by
guys.
Nokia.
Man, I wanna
Guys,
shave
tell us
your
your name.
fucking hairline.
I
I want to see what happens if he dies. Oh, he don't know.
Dude, this game is tiring.
I wish I had moderators. I wish I had
This is-
moderators so I could troll kids. Oh, finally.
Too much Color Rush. Guys, I played too much Color Rush and Gorilla Tag.
I hate Cover Rush.
Everyone follow me. Everyone follow me. Everyone go to
Where
that
are
bank.
you?
No, don't do it. You're gonna get in there.
Everybody, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me,
can't.
follow me.
Oh no, it was mine.
Oh, fine.
That
I'll get in there.
Turn, guys. I'm coming. Guys, close your square.
Just remember that I warned you.
No, go back, go back, go back. She asked me how I make this green. Tell her that it's in my jeans. Money, money, green, green. Money.
Money.
Power of the content creator.
Let's go. I'm gonna bark like a dog.
Ultimate speed. Oh god! Guys, the next ones are coming.
Oh my god.
They're all dead.
Oh no.
Wanna come? Get the fuck up here. 2, 1, go.
There's a phone right there, so
Just run. Just run.
Nokia.
No, everybody, once you get to the Nokia, follow me.
Nokia.
Everybody at the Nokia, follow me. Follow me. Guys, at the Nokia, follow my lead. Follow my lead.
something. I'm gonna call something.
Guys, stop. Follow my lead, everybody.
Frozen. Nokia frozen. You gotta back up. You gotta back up. What are you looking away from? What are you looking away from? Yeah, back up.
Who wants to go in low gravity?
Go.
Yes. No, actually.
Guys, I died.
Dang it, I died. Dang it.
I saved your life.
I was doing so good.
I'm going back to next spots.
God, hurry. Come here, idiot. Come on.
Follow me,
You gotta
bro,
get in now. You gotta get in now.
over there. Come on, let's go.
They're frozen.
There's no Nokia.
I guess you wondered where I've been.
Oh, snap, bro.
When the dad came back with the milk, I guess you wondered where I've been.
The power of the air.
Of the fire black somebody. Hey, Blue, come here. Oh, now run. I think all the memes are chasing us, except for one, which is...
The memes are gone, dude. Everybody go to Nokia. Go to the Nokia. Everybody go to the Nokia.
Oh my god.
Bro, they can't come up. Sorry.
What is that?
Yo, Green, what the
Smack
heck?
back.
Taco Booty
Oh
is
my
in
God.
Ohio.
Wait, do this, jump into that.
They're gone.
Korea.
Come here, guys.
Everybody go to next.
Whee! No! Go back!
Moderator? I want to see moderator. Yeah, he's
Walker?
AFK.
Like all moderators.
I dare somebody to go.
Oh my god,
Where's
the
the
way how
moderator?
they just
I want to see
stare at
moderator.
us.
I want to see moderator.
Everybody stay back, we don't know if they're coming after us.
They are.
Dude, fried chicken! Oh!
Why don't you try this?
Nobody wants to save your hand.
Okay,
I
where's the moderator?
Guys, I found Nokia.
Where is
I found
this?
Nokia.
It's at Nokia. Nokia.
Guys, I found Nokia.
I dare somebody to slide down. I dare
Stop.
somebody to slide down.
No, purple.
I'll do it with you.
Purple. Ah,
I dare somebody to slide
I
down.
got the little.
Hi, Nokia.
Guys, we're dead.
Bro,
We're
y'all
dead.
are dead.
We're dead because of the
Back up,
stupid
it'll
goal.
go attack him when we back up.
Burger.
Back up so that it will go attack him.
Money,
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 money.
Come on, come over here. Over here.
money.
Green. Cyan. Go distract them.
We're gonna die.
Guys, someone go distract them.
I'm gonna do it.
You. Go on that side. Moderator.
Holy shit, I booked it.
Should I book it?
What?
Que lo que se ve atrás del palo,
Grab
güey.
them and